Steve Jobs' 10 Rules for Success. Do what you love. Find your true passion and change the world for the better. The only way to do a job well is to love it. Don't be like everyone else. Thoughts outside the box. Better to be a pirate than a sailor. Whatever you do, try to do the best you can. Success entails other success, so in everything strive for success. Hire people who love to strive for excellence. Be enterprising. Set a new big goal each time. Among the many ideas, find those that need to be implemented quickly and decisively and jump with them into the window of new opportunities. Sometimes the first step is the hardest. Just do it. Start small, think big. Don't think about many things at once. Start with a few simple ideas, and then get to more complex ones. Think not only about tomorrow, but also about the future. Strive to be the market leader. Own leading technologies, control them in all areas of your activity. If a better technology exists, use it, even if no one is using it. Be the first to set industry standards. Focus on the result. People judge you by your actions, so focus on the result. Be the measure of quality. Ask for advice. Ask advice from people from different areas. Everyone will give you one useful thought. Learn from mistakes. Sometimes, when creating something new, you make mistakes. It is best to quickly recognize and eliminate them, improving your other developments. Learn constantly. You can always learn something else. Subscribe to our channel. We are trying for you.